Good day, Singapore. My name is Mark, and I'm a Melbourne-based voice and speech coach. I'm so thrilled to be running Fundamentals of Voice once again in collaboration with HCAC. The central theme for this workshop is going to be breath power. And yes, you guessed it right, we will be exploring a range of breathing exercises as well as voice exercises to really stretch and strengthen your vocal instrument. Now, research has shown that doing simple breathing exercises every single day can enhance the overall quality of your life. We'll be bringing that idea into this workshop where you'll get to identify some of the habits that have been preventing you from fully unleashing your vocal potential. We will also be exploring some speech and communication techniques to allow you to communicate not just words, but meaning, ideas, and emotions with clarity and confidence. If this is something that interests you, please visit HCAC's website to sign up and register for this online workshop. I look forward to seeing you this Saturday at 2 p.m. Singapore time. Take care, and I'll see you soon.